To fix a Panasonic TV with a red light blinking issue, start by understanding the possible causes of the problem. The red light typically indicates a fault or error in the TV's system, which can be due to a variety of reasons such as overheating, loose connections, or software issues. First, try unplugging the TV from the power source and waiting for at least 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve the issue by resetting the TV's system. If the problem persists, check all cables and connections to ensure they are securely plugged in and not damaged. Verify that the TV is receiving power by checking the power cord and outlet. Next, check for any software updates for your TV. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and result in the red light blinking. Go to the TV's settings menu and look for the update option. If the issue is still not resolved, it may be related to overheating. Ensure that the TV has sufficient ventilation and is not blocked by any objects. Clean the TV's vents and fans to improve airflow. Another possible cause is a faulty power supply or mainboard. In this case, it is recommended to contact a professional TV repair technician or the Panasonic support team for further assistance. Additionally, resetting the TV to its factory settings can also resolve the issue. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu and look for the reset option. Note that this will erase all saved settings and data, so it should be used as a last resort. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the cause of the red light blinking issue on your Panasonic TV. Remember to always refer to the TV's user manual or contact the manufacturer's support team if you are unsure about any of the steps.